Good morning, everyone. My name is Karthik, and I am a student of class 8. And today I will discuss about the topic tense. So, what is tense? Tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, and its meaning is time. And tense shows the time of an action, degree, and completeness. And tense have three main kinds: present tense, past tense, and future tense. And they all has four subtypes. So the present tense have four subtypes. That is present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, past and future are also categorized. So today we will discuss about present all the four subtypes of present tense. First, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense shows the action which is performed in present time. So we will use in present indefinite tense SOES with singular subject and verbs first form with plural subject. And there are some examples of present indefinite tense. That is, he goes to market. That is, we use es with he because he is a singular subject. And the second example of present indefinite tense is we go to market. So we use verbs first form with we because we is plural. So our next topic is present continuous tense. So uh, in present continuous tense, we use is with singular subject, are with plural subject, and am with I. And we use present participle form of the verb in present continuous tense. So there are some examples of present continuous tense. That is, I am going to school. So here is we use am with I because in the rule we have to use am with I and verbs present and present participle form of the verb. Second example is he is going to market. We use is with he because he is singular subject and present participle form of the verb. So our next topic is present perfect tense. Present perfect we use has with singular subject and have with plural subject and verbs third form with in the verbs third form in the verb. So there are some examples of present perfect tense. uh, that is, he has gone to market. We use has with singular subject, has with he because he is a singular subject, and gone verbs third form with verbs third form in the sentence. And our next example is they have they have done their work. We have used have with they because they are plural subject, and done done is the verb's third form in the sentence. And we have uh, we have discussed three types of the present tense. Now we will discuss the fourth type of present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense, in the present perfect continuous tense we use has been with singular subject and have been with plural subject and present participle form of the verb. So there are some examples of the present perfect continuous tense. That is, he has been gone to he has been going to school. So he has been, we are using has been with he because has he is a singular subject, and going is the present participle form of verb, present participle form of verb. And the second example of present perfect continuous tense is they have been uh, they have been completing their work. We use have been with they because they is plural subject, and completing is the present participle form of the verb. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you everyone. Have an excellent day.